Sure. Hope everybody's doing good. I hope you all are doing good today. Uh, you are joining from. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how to create a background using um. Let me see. Uh, oh, thanks, Malumi P. Yeah, thanks for watching, man. Uh, so I think, but I just wanted to show that guy how to create this type of background, because obviously this is AI, so I'm just gonna show him how to create the, because this is just the stroke brush strokes. So I think, yeah, let's get into it. Let me do this first. uh I'll drag and I'll drop this here. Don't know if it's gonna show. Is it gonna show? Oh, it's not gonna show. No, it's not gonna show. What sharp? I think we can open it in another. uh in another file, I think. 600 by 900. 900. Yeah, 600 by 900. Can deal with this one. Cool. So obviously the first thing that we're gonna do, the background, I mean, it's just black, it's just simple black. So maybe we're just gonna put a rectangle there, make it black. And is it even live? Okay, I know. All right, so the background is black. I think in Photoshop, what you will do after selecting the foreground as black, I think you can do, is it alt backspace or control backspace, something like that, and then it's going to fill the, let me see, alt backspace, control backspace, aha, control backspace, and then it's gonna fill the layer with a black, I mean with a foreground color. Yeah, and that's that. And then the next thing we're going to let me just download where's that thing, PNG wing. So we're just gonna download brush strokes. Yeah, your brush strokes here. Can download this one or one, then in this one, and also open these. You just get them and or you can even download these ones. Well, and then I'm just going to download this thing. Question get and two, and then we're gonna go to PNG, go to brush strokes. I'll name this brush stroke one. I'm just going to download one. Hey bro, my network is slow. Network is slow. Network is slow. I'll just be brushstroke 2. Rid of this. Download. So I think that's the finding these resources. I think you can get more, like a lot of resources here on this website. PNG wing. There's a lot of nice PNG resources. This will be 3. My baby's calling. Yeah, give me just 1 second, and then I'll come back. Yeah, now you're seeing things there, but it's fine. Okay, so I've downloaded that one also, and then I'm going to download this one. I think this will be fine. Yeah, these ones will be fine. These 4 stuff will be fine. This will be 4. So, nice job. So now that we are done with that, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go to that the resource file, PNG brush strokes, and here are my brush strokes. Just place them there. One, that black one, and this one. So we're just gonna maybe look. We have what, orange, blue, but we can have our colors there. So on Photoshop, I think it's layer effect, something like that. And then just change the color there. Let me open this one in another window. So I'm just moving the window to the next screen, and I'm just going to copy the color to this one, that one, color, and then to sample that orange there. Yeah, got it. Close. I have it there, and then I'm gonna copy to this one also, and then I'm gonna add another layer effects. Yeah, I think it's layer effects on in Photoshop as well. Then I'm going to copy, sample the blue one, sample the blue this, and then I'm going to copy and paste it. Yeah, so we have something like that. And then now we're just going to arrange this in a way that, let's see, no, it's just there, the end there. I'm just going to arrange them like that, it's small. Nah, that you can also, but it's up to you. One, you can bring it inside, copy it small, bring it there at the edge, at the bottom there. Grab this one. Can also make it big or small. Rotate it a little bit. Copy it again. Just do like that. Take this one. Gonna flip it. Rotate it a little bit, and then you can copy the orange one and put it here. I think I'm gonna say it's small. Copy the blue one. Something like that. In fact, can also let's increase it on this one, and then you can add your blur on this one. Gaussian blur. I think in Photoshop you will just have to use your effects there, your not effects, your filters. You have to use your filters in Photoshop, and then maybe one. Let's add the Gaussian blur there. Gaussian blur. Yeah, like that. In fact, and then I think you'll be done. At all. Then you'll be done. And you can bring it here, stretch it nyana. Then you can also add Gaussian blur to that one, and just make it nice. In fact, make it nice. That's just the background. That's just how I would actually make that. It's still streaming or not, but yeah. But yeah, so that's how you would actually make that. And maybe you can add the glow on the layer effects there. Add your outer glow with the same colors, or maybe you can get yellow intensity, bring it down a little bit, maybe evenly backing that opacity, bring it down, and bring the radius up or city. Yeah, well, there's that glow now. Same thing with the blue. Not that one, this one. Then you just add your outer glow there, and the blue, and you can even make the blue even more bluer, or increase the light there, something like that. Increase it, decrease the intensity, use the opacity, and so on to that blue, and so on. And that's about that. Maybe then you can add your picture there. Can add your picture there. See, here's my picture. Here. Then maybe you can add your picture there. This one, it's too big. Yeah, still. You can add your picture there on top. You can add your picture there for whatever reasons. Don't know. I'm doing this. Select these guys, and then I'll lock them. block these guys, maybe even group them and name them background there. Yeah, and then you'll add another. Then I'll go into my brushes and check for splatters. I think I have spray and splatters. Yes, spray and splatters there. Then I'll grab the maybe that orange. Baba. No, not that. And come on. This one get sprayed. Spray like something like that. Or you can even search them later on. You can just search for spray and splatters, but I think I have that. You can search for spray and splatters there. Okay, paint splatter maybe. Paint splatter. Hey, yeah, one. So this would be this stuff here. The spray and splatters. This would be these things. And then where is it? So we'll just check this one. There's this one, there's these also. Yeah, can grab this well. I think I'll use this other one. I need to make a fit. I have to make it slow. Gents, are you still seeing what I'm doing, or is it just stuck there? Let me know if you can see what's happening there. Hey, it looks like it was stuck though. Was it stuck on one place, or is it actually doing what it's supposed to be doing? Okay, no, that's cool. I think it is. But one tall I'm fit. This is what I'm. How you would make that background. This is how you would make that background, and then you put in that outer glow and not gradient. Hey man. You have to make the paint splatter. Paint splatter, just paint splatter and then splatter one. That outer glow I think there's that outer glow orange. So that outer glow there. I think it's white and orange. Yeah, then you do that outer glow. Sorry, can make it this orange so reduce the opacity. Have that, and then I believe to actually let me start with this one. I'll start with the white one. So intensity radius CT up like that, opacity and then I would group this, and then I would put, I'm not sure if it's going to do theme, but that's what I want to do. Yeah, it's doing what I wanted to do there. Then you just reduce a little bit below it, kind of like so. So this is that this one sharp. Where is that paint splatter now? A paint splatter will be the back, and then you put your layer effect on it. Whatever color that you want to use. Okay, and just reduce it nicely, however you want to place it there. Like that. Can you hey, we can rotate it a little bit. And then yeah, so not the fit. You are done. You are done. That will be your background, I guess, or to create that background. And then you are done in fit. That's how you actually create that. Just place your things there. Maybe you can add the motion blur there. Motion blur nyana. Sorry. Copy it and paste it on. And I think you are done. Yeah, then you're done with it. You have your background, that AI-ish background that you wanted, something like that. Now I hope you're good, and then yeah.